In a bowl, add half a cup of flour. You can use any flour. Then a tablespoon of sugar or sweetener, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of vegetable oil. You could use coconut oil if you want. And then half a cup of vegan milk. I'm using coconut, but you can use any type. And whisk that all together for a few minutes until it looks something like this. And then in a frying pan, heat a couple of tablespoons of oil over a medium heat, and then add the batter, a couple of tablespoons per pancake. This recipe should make about 5 or 6 pancakes. Once the batter has bubbled all over, then it should be ready to flip, and just cook for a few moments on the other side. There's a link to this full recipe in the description below. Just plate up the pancakes and serve with vegan butter and syrup, or with blueberries, or my favourite, chocolate sauce, bananas and vegan whipped cream. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic videos like this. Thanks for watching!